So the question is, who do you want to remind you to turn to your Maker? Who do you want to remind you that you need to be a good Muslim? Whoever it is, you can hear them reminding you. Nowadays, it's just a few buttons away. Say the person's name. Whoever, whichever sheikh, whichever person appeals to you, say their name. Google them and listen. They will give you the same reminder, exactly the same reminder. Amazing. And then we're just going to listen and say, powerful speaker, powerful speaker. But did your life change? No, it didn't. So that wasn't powerful enough. It wasn't good enough. Really. What's the point of us attending conferences and conventions and lectures and listening to so many lectures on YouTube and perhaps on the telly and perhaps on the radio and so many different places, but our hearts have not moved. Our lives have not changed. I cry when I think of how much Quran we read. We call it a khatma, which means we complete the entire Quran from cover to cover. Not once, but so many times, and our lives have not moved. Sometimes we have not even cried the warm tears. And yet there were enemies of Islam in the past. One verse was enough to shake up their whole lives, and they turned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why? It's the sincerity. It's the search and the thirst and the acceptance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.